Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to track your pending requests. So when you first log in, you want to go ahead and click on this activity tab towards the top of the page. Then you'll see the different activity types. For funding, these are going to be all of your transfer, rollover, and contribution requests. So if you scroll down, you'll see the pending funding request here, and it will start with the most recent. For status, manager review just means that it was successfully submitted and we are in the process of reviewing it. If it's processed, then it will change to completed. And then if it's returned or there needs to be some sort of correction or clarification, it'll show as returned. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see a list of completed funding requests as well. And if you click on the activity ID of these funding requests, or any transaction for that matter, you can see when it was originally submitted. You can also see the details as well. You can click next and see everything that was entered. And if we go back, also another way to check to see if something has happened is just by clicking on this transactions tab, selecting your account, and scrolling down, and you'll see the most recent transaction starting at the top. And that is how to track and check the status of a pending request. Thank you.